Hi guys, today we're going to talk about solving single-step inequalities. We've already solved single-step inequalities using addition and subtraction and multiplication and division. Here we're just putting it together, so we're just going to look at some examples in this lecture. Alright, so our first example is x plus 4 is less than 3. We're solving for x. So, with addition and subtraction we know it's the same as solving an equation. So we want to get our x by itself. Outside of that box, we have a plus 4. That's what we need to get rid of. The opposite of plus 4 is minus 4. So I'm going to subtract 4 from each side. Those 4's cancel, leaving me with x. Addition and subtraction, our sign stays the same. It doesn't affect anything. So x is less than 3 minus 4 is negative 1. Our final answer would be x is less than negative 1. Again, remember, with addition and subtraction, your sign stays the same. Our next example here, 3x is greater than negative 3. Again, we need to isolate our variable, which is x. We have 3 times x. The opposite of multiplication is division, so we're going to divide by 3. Alright, now we're using multiplication and division, so we need to be careful. In this case, we're dividing by a positive 3. We're dividing by a positive 3. So, when you divide or multiply by a positive number, it doesn't affect your sign. So our sign is going to stay the same. Those 3 cancel. So x, our sign stays the same because we're dividing by a positive number. And negative 3 divided by positive 3 is negative 1. X is greater than negative 1 is our final answer. When you multiply and divide by a positive number, your sign stays the same. Our last example here, negative 2y is greater than or equal to 12. We need to isolate our variable, which in this case is a y. We need to get it by itself. Negative 2 times y, the opposite of multiplication is division. So we're going to divide by negative 2. Divide by negative 2. Our negative 2's cancel. We have y. We're dividing and multiplying, so we need to make sure our sign stays the same or it flips. In this case, we're dividing by a negative 2. When you multiply or divide by a negative number, you must flip your sign. So we know our sign needs to flip. Greater than or equal to becomes less than or equal to. 12 divided by negative 2 is negative 6. So y is less than or equal to negative 6. When you multiply or divide by a negative number, you must flip your sign. That's all I have for this lecture. If you have any questions, please ask. Have a great day.